Mayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Gibran sa Dimaporo, Governor ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. And for today, on behalf of the people of Lanao del Norte, on behalf of the province of Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty, we'd like to greet our dear friend and President, His Excellency Bongbong Marcos Jr. A very, very happy birthday. Today we have received daming programa galing sa Malacanang. It's called Handog ng Pangulo, Serbisyong Sapat para sa Lahat. And we'd like to thank again all of the regional line agencies, all of the regional directors for bringing the national government closer to the grassroots, closer to the barangays, closer to the municipalities, and especially the provinces here in the Kalimudan Hall at the capital town, Tubod, Lanao del Norte. For our province, under his administration, the completion of the Pangal Bay Bridge, and it has done so many marvels for us din sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte and our capital town, the municipality of Tubod. So without further ado, we from the province of Lanao del Norte would like to greet our dear President a happy 68th birthday.